Alright, so before going ahead, let's understand the basics. What is geometry nodes? Geometry nodes is a procedural way of creating landscape or any kind of 3D object or animation or simulation, anything you can imagine in the 3D world. Now you may ask what is exactly procedural way, which means we are not actually going to destroy the geometry inside our 3D viewport, but actually going to modify it, which means we can modify anything at any point of time, and that is why geometry nodes is a much better approach. So let's talk about use cases. Now you can create any kind of geonode system. Let's just say a landscape with lots of foliage, or a forest scene, or a waterfall, or a building generator. Anything which is procedural, which means we can modify, tweak at any point of time. And there are many use cases, as you can see on your screen. So many people sell their own geometry nodes on the Blender market, which is one of the biggest marketplace for Blender artists, and you can do it too. So when you understand geometry nodes in depth, you will able to create your own system and you can sell it online. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video and subscribe to channel so you don't miss the next part.